Hey everyone. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of deleting your YouTube channel on mobile. Let's get started. First, open up any web browser on your mobile device. In my case, I am using Safari. Now, in the search bar type YouTube Studio and click Enter. If prompted to switch to the YouTube Studio app, just refuse it. Now, let's zoom in a bit. At the bottom left corner, you'll see a gear icon. Tap on that to access the settings. Once in the settings, tap on Channel and then click on the Advanced Settings. Now, scroll down and you will find the Remove YouTube Channel option. Click on it. Now, if the system will ask you to enter your current YouTube password for security purposes, then enter the password and click Next. After that, you'll be taken to a page where you need to decide whether you want to hide your channel or permanently delete it. To delete the YouTube channel, tap on the second option to expand it. Now, you'll see two checkboxes that indicate what exact content will be deleted, including your videos, playlists, and YouTube channels. Check mark both the first and second options. Finally, when you click on the Delete My Content button, your channel will be deleted. And there you have it. That's how you can easily delete your YouTube channel on mobile. Thanks for watching.